I'll go swimming, okay? You wait for me?
Okay. Oh, this pool is...
Cause this one, gang, I can bring gang, this one I can bring there, man. I can wet this one.
Hey, Mamila, look at this.
What's that, man?
This 350 must be...
Accompanied by an adult. Yeah, I should swim with you, gang. You cannot swim there by yourself.
Yes, I want to.
You wanna go again? Go, go.
Yay! Hey, how about naman camera lessons? You know, I know camera lessons.
Oh yeah, who teach you, man?
My teacher.
Oh, that's
She's
good.
very good in camera, but she won't try it in our board.
Oh.
That's why I have plenty of wrongs. 15 wrongs.
Oh yeah? Why you have camera subject?
Yes, subject. I don't know what happened to her.
Oh.
But without a notebook, she will just I'm not scared. I want again. Now let's go swimming.
Gang, it's good because you're not scared. No?
I want
You
again.
should have something, gang, like you didn't bring like a floater.
No, no. Oh, Mom. Better wait. I bring my floater, the one Daddy James gave me. How about you take off your clothes and then while I camera Naya.
I didn't bring it here, man. I'm wearing something inside, underwear, man. I have to get my swimwear, okay?
Okay.
I'll be, wait for me for 5 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Then let's buy ice cream. There's ice cream there.
I know.
Okay?
Yes.
I'll be back. Bye-bye. I'll be back, okay?
Okay.
I'll wear my swimwear.